How should be C? Is that C? Okay. How should be C I? Okay, let's do C I. So C I. Okay, play. What did you say?
Use the graph to find the root of the equation.
Now use the graph to find the what?
Root of the equation.
Okay, the root of the equation what? Okay. Now the root of the equation. Let's go. The root A squared, right?
Yeah.
Now A S squared minus 3x minus what? Q, right?
Yeah.
Are you there? Now the new equation now is not going to be this, right? So what do? You replace with the new equation, which is what? 2x squared minus 3x minus what? 10, right? Okay, and that's the new equation. Now, the root of the equation simply means where the curve cuts the x-axis. Remember, when I was teaching quadratic equation, when I treated the factorization method, completing the sphere, use of quadratic formula and graphical solution, right? So I told you that you can even use your graph to get the root of what? Of any quadratic multiplication, right? Now, how do you get it now? Look at it. The root of the equation, which is this. Remember, you can solve this quadratically, right? You can solve it using what? Factorization what? Method. And you get two possible values of what? X. Right? But right now, I'm going to use my graph to get two possible values of what? X. And how do I get that? Where the curve cuts the x-axis. Okay? So, now, explanation. Okay? I'm going to do what? Explain it. Okay? Explanation. Where the curve cuts the x-axis. So let's go. Let's go and look for where you cut the x-axis. Now look at my own. Watch this. If I come here, watch my own. And also check your own. Do you see where this curve cuts the x-axis? Do you see that? Now, my own. Let me change the value here. Remember, the value of the small tiny line here is 0.1, right? So I can say the middle here is what? Is 0.5. Now, do you see? It's cutting my own at what? At minus 1.6. Do you see that? So, here, x is equal to what? Minus what? Minus 1.6. Are you there? Or, okay, let's take again. Coming here, do you see? It's even cutting the what? The curve, the x-axis at where? 3.1. Okay? 3.1. Am I making sense? So I have answered the question C-I-I. Now with what? C-I. Get the next one. Huh? Okay. C-I-I. Is the next one. What did you say, please? The what? Okay, the root of the equation. Okay? 2x squared, right? So 2x squared, okay? Minus 5x, right? Okay, minus 5x. Minus 5x. And what? Minus 13 is equal to what? 0. Okay? Alright. Now, what I'm going to do? What I'm going to do? Now, let's say, this equation that was given, what? This equation that was given is different from, watch, attention please, is different from the given equation. Do you see that? Are you following? Now, the only way to solve this is what? Is to compare. To do what? Compare. Am I making sense? So I'm going to compare this with what? With the given what? Equation. Am I making sense? Okay. Now, I'm going to have compare. Okay. Okay, sorry. So the explanation there is what? Let me explain it there. Okay. Explanation says compare 2x squared minus 5x minus 13 equal to 0 with the original equation. With the original equation. The original equation, which happens to the what? 2x squared minus what? Minus 3x minus what? 10 is equal to what? 0. Okay? So, that is the explanation. So, compare 2x squared minus 5x minus 13 with what? With the original equation. Am I making sense? So, let's go there. Okay? Now, I'm going to have now, where is the original equation there? The original equation is what? Is 2x squared, okay? 2x squared, and this happens to be the answer, sorry. Okay, my answer. Okay, so 2x squared minus 5x minus 13 is equal to what? 0. Okay? Now, the original equation is what? Is 2x squared minus what? Minus 5x and what? Minus what? Minus what? 10 is equal to what? 0.
3x.
Okay, 3x, sorry. Okay, 3x.